What is up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to yet another Motor Biscuit video. My name is Braden Carlson, and the wait is finally over. Ford has officially revealed the 7th generation Ford Mustang, and it's got a drift handbrake, and you can rev it with the key fob. Without further ado, here is the new Mustang and everything we know about it as of now. The 2024 Ford Mustang is available with the 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, just like the previous generation. However, the star of the lineup is the most powerful variant of the iconic Coyote 5-liter V8 engine Ford has ever made, with plans for it to produce 500 horsepower. In addition, both engine options are available with either the 10-speed automatic transmission or, car enthusiasts rejoice, a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission. Thank you, Ford, for keeping it real. As of now, there is no electric or hybrid drivetrain offered. However, that is likely subject to change in the near future based on Ford's press release stating that the company plans to invest over $50 billion in electric vehicles through 2026. The 7th generation Ford Mustang has the most technologically advanced interior ever put in a Mustang model and draws inspiration from fighter jet cockpits. The 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster can be customized to display different animated designs and new drive mode dependent visuals. Based on the same Unreal Engine 3D creation tool used in modern video games, when choosing personalized drive mode settings, the car's current setup is displayed on the center stack as a real-time graphic rendering. Settings can be adjusted by simply swiping the graphic to rotate the car virtually in a true gamified style. The interior also features a very race car-like flat-bottom steering wheel and optional Recaro bucket seats with the Performance Pack. The aggressive styling of the 7th generation Mustang draws influence from the original Ford Mustang, just like the S550. However, it adds to the design with more edgy, modern, and overall more aggressive styling. It features tri-bar LED headlights paying homage to the classic Mustang lighting signature. The high roofline design ensures that helmets need not be removed upon entry or exit at the racetrack, and it flows down to an extended rear deck with a redesigned diffuser for improved aerodynamic balance in the rear. In addition, the GT is easy to spot thanks to its performance-oriented aero like its notable hood vent and redesigned front splitter. Finally, the GT model stands out with larger and more aggressive grille openings. Overall, the new Mustang design manages to take the already awesome S550 and kick it up to a more aggressive outlook without it being too overwhelming. As with the outgoing S550 Mustang, Ford engineers spent countless hours at the track dialing in the suspension and overall chassis to ensure that the new Mustang is far more than a straight-line hero. Instead, the 7th gen Mustang is a certified weapon on virtually any racetrack, no matter the discipline, and that includes drifting. The 7th gen Mustang offers an optional electronic drift brake that resembles a traditional handbrake to unlock the full drifting potential of the Mustang. Whether you're just learning or you're an experienced and competitive drifter, you won't want to skip this feature. Another fun, quirky feature of the 7th gen Mustang is found in the key fob. Sure, starting the car with a key fob is nothing new, but the new Mustang allows you to rev it with the key fob as well. Is it necessary or beneficial? No, but it's pretty cool. That about wraps up all of the important information you need for the new 7th generation 2024 Ford Mustang. For more information on the 7th gen Mustang, check the link in the description out and go read the article posted by our very own Eric Sherman at MotorBiscuit.com. As usual, we'd like to thank you for tuning in to another Motor Biscuit video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you can keep up to date with all the automotive content we've got coming your way. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at MotorBiscuitOfficial, on Twitter at BiscuitMotor, and check out MotorBiscuit.com for anything and everything automotive you could ever imagine. For now, my name is Braden, I'm signing off, and we will see you in the next one.